20 years ago, in 1993, I was 15, just finishing my sophomore year of high school. What a waste of time. But all I could think about during that year was that Steven Spielberg was going to have a new movie. And I was a fan of Steven Spielberg ever since I saw E.T. in the theater. His new movie in 1993, of course, was going to be Jurassic Park. And I think any kid loves dinosaurs for some reason. I don't know why, because they're so mysterious and strange and they don't really exist in the world that we live in. So I think it was the perfect idea for them to turn the famous Jurassic Park book into a movie. Now, I never knew it was a book. I've actually never read the book. I do own the book, there it is, but I've never actually read it. But in 1993, I was so excited to see Jurassic Park. I think first off, it was just because it was a Steven Spielberg movie and I loved John Williams and I just loved the whole concept. But first I did hear the score. And I was also introduced to a new world of something called a CD. And so the first CD I ever bought in my collection, I still own to this day, and it is a copy of the soundtrack to Jurassic Park. This is the very CD I bought in 1993. Probably weeks before the movie came out, and I remember just listening to this over and over and over again as I was waiting in anticipation to see this film. And yeah, I mean the CD's still in here, it looks great. Just want to showcase that really quick. There's the paper, artwork, and everything. And something cool that I did with it, I replaced it with see-through, and I added this into the CD case. So this actually did not come with the CD that I bought, but anyways, there you go. Seeing Jurassic Park in 1993 was such a special memory. The theater that I saw it in is just moments away from my house in another city, and it does still exist. The theater does still exist, and I would have loved to have seen Jurassic Park in that theater, but sadly, well, maybe not sadly, but the theater is still open, but all they play is Bollywood movies. So there you go. So now in 2013, it's been 20 years, Jurassic Park is back for its 20th anniversary in 3D, and I went and saw it in IMAX with a very dear friend of mine. We saw it with an audience, a full audience of adults and kids, people who have seen the movie before, people who grew up with the movie, people who have never, kids who've never seen the movie before. And during the screening of the film, you could see that reaction as the movie was watching, because you could hear people laughing that had known their favorite lines were coming up, to kids actually being scared and laughing. That was the most exciting, that you would hear all these voices in the theater just getting excited about this movie, because this movie is so memorable. And for me, it's one of the greatest movies ever made. Maybe because I did see it at such a young age, but it holds up so well seeing it now in 35. And yes, I do own the DVDs, and I am looking forward to Jurassic 4 coming out next year, I believe. But movies like this were meant to be seen in the movie theater. Movies like this were meant to be seen big and large and in charge with great sound systems, and now it's in 3D. And how did I feel about the 3D? I have to say I thought the 3D was good. They did a decent job in conversion. And I hate really when they convert stuff to DVD to 3D. But overall, I have to say this movie holds up very, very well, and I love that the practical effects are mixed with the special effects, new CGI at the time when that came out, so they still had to use some practical effects. I wish movies would learn something from this and use practical more and also CGI more. Like half and half would be great. I wish most movies would do that, but maybe it's just so easy to do it all on the computer now. Sadly, that is the case. But this is just a reminder, and I'm so glad this movie did come out again. I love this movie. This movie is part of my childhood. It's part of my young adulthood. It's part of, I hope that I can share it with the future movie lovers who are being born today, because this movie is just an amazing film with such rich characters, beautiful settings, amazing special effects, John Williams' incredible music, Steven Spielberg's amazing direction. The cast is from great to okay. The cast is from okay to great. But, overall this movie is just so magical and wondrous, and it was so great to see this movie again on the screen. It's been a few years. I did see it about 5 or 6 years ago, but not like this. IMAX 3D, I recommend it. Go check it out when it's out now. So I recommend going to watch it and, own it on DVD, because you're going to want to enjoy it from time to time and show it to the future generation of people. Because movies like this aren't being made like this anymore, and it's kind of sad. And I'm hoping that this new Jurassic Park movie that's coming out next summer will utilize practical effects and CGI, and we can get a really, really, really amazing film. Hopefully it's a standalone kind of film. It can stand on its own. But I love this universe. I'm really grateful that this film did come out 20 years ago, when I was 15, and I'm glad it's out again now for a future generation, future audience, a young audience to see it for the first time. And of course an old person like myself to see it again because, oop, there you go. You know I love this movie. I'm just gonna give it my highest rating. It's a 4-star film for me. It may not be perfect, but as an adventure and as a pure entertainment, pure glory from the heavens above, the gods of movie love above. No movies are not gonna get any better than this film. So there you go. Jurassic Park is playing right now. I do recommend it. I'm Movie Man Chad. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Twitter and I'm on Facebook. And please go to WeLiveFilm.com and subscribe right here on YouTube to We Live Film. And also go to WhoYouTube.com. Hold on to your butts!